हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग चैप्टर नंबर 4 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 से लेकर के 14 तक के क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज 4A के न्यूमेरिकल्स सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। 1 से 7 का वीडियो ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर आ चुका है, आप प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर चेक कर सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमको दिया है, इन अ हाइड्रोलिक मशीन अ फोर्स ऑफ 2 न्यूटन इज अप्लाइड ऑन द पिस्टन ऑफ एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. What force is obtained on its piston of area cross section 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पर हमको हाइड्रोलिक मशीन का कॉन्सेप्ट बोला गया। हाइड्रोलिक मशीन में क्या होता है, पास्कल्स लॉ अप्लाई होता है। पास्कल्स लॉ में क्या बोला जाता है कि प्रेशर अप्लाइड ऑन द फर्स्ट piston is equal to the pressure applied on the second piston. If you will apply any pressure, जब आप कहीं पर एक प्रेशर अप्लाई करोगे, दो बीकर्स है जो आपस में कनेक्टेड है, तो जब आप एक में प्रेशर अप्लाई करोगे तो वही इक्वल प्रेशर जो होगा इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगा इन द ऑल सेक्शन ऑफ द सेकेंड बीकर ऑल्सो। ठीक है, यही कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ करके हम न्यूमेरिकल्स आगे के आगे सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। तो देखते हैं क्या क्या दिया हुआ है। तो हमको दिया है फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो वो हो जाएगा F1 इज इक्वल टू 2 न्यूटन ऑन द पिस्टन ऑफ एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। तो एरिया A1 हो जाएगा 10 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। व्हाट फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन इट्स सेकेंड पिस्टन, तो F2 की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है और इसका एरिया हमको दिया है 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ठीक है, F1 इज इक्वल टू 2 न्यूटन। अब हम क्या करेंगे, पास्कल्स लॉ देखेंगे। पास्कल्स लॉ क्या बोलता है, P1 इज इक्वल टू P2 और प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू आप क्या जानते हो, फोर्स अपॉन एरिया। तो फर्स्ट पिस्टन के लिए F1 अपॉन A1 और सेकेंड के लिए F2 अपॉन A2। F1 की वैल्यू कितनी दी हुई है 2, A1 की 10, F2 की निकालनी है और A2 की 100। बस उसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमको वैल्यू मिल जाएगी। ये यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा कि 2 × 10 इज इक्वल टू F2। तो F2 की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई, 20 न्यूटन। यही आपका आंसर है। Only this thing you need to solve in this question. Only you need to remember the Pascal's law. That Pascal's law state that pressure applied on the first piston is equal to the pressure applied on the second piston. Then you will use this formula and then you will find out any of these quantities. From these four, any three will be given to you and you need to find out the fourth one. Now we will move forward to question number 9. Question number 9 is given, what should be the ratio of area of cross section of the master cylinder and the wheel cylinder? Means here we need to find out the area of ratio of area 1 and 2, A1 ratio A2, so that the hydraulic force of 15 Newton can be obtained on each of its brake shoe by exerting a force of 0.5 Newton. So you need to remember the force that you applied is always smaller force, that is F1. F1 is always smaller and you will get the bigger force. So F1 is 0.5 Newton and F2 is 15 Newton. F1 is the force that you apply and F2 is the force that you will achieve. So F1 is always smaller and F2 is always bigger. Now again we will write according to Pascal's law, P1 is equal to P2, P1 is equal to F1 upon A1 and P2 is equal to F2 upon A2. Here we need to find out the ratio of A1 ratio A2. So this F2 will come this side, F1 upon F2 is equal to A1 upon A2. Now just put the value of F1 and F2. F1 is 0.5 and F2 is 15. Is equal to A1 upon A2. Now decimal is transferred, so 0, 5 ones are 5 30s. So A1 ratio A2 is equal to 1 ratio 30. This is your answer only. Only you need to understand the question. Overall it is very simple. This was the question number 9. Now we will move forward to question number 10. Let's see what is given in the question number 10. It is given the cross section. The area of piston in a hydraulic machine are 5 cm square and 625 cm square. Always remember the smaller one is for first one and the bigger one is for second. So always the smaller quantity you will take as A1 and a smaller force you will take as F1. ठीक है, तो A1 is equal to 5 cm square, A2 is equal to 625 cm square. the smaller piston will support a load of 1250 Newton on the larger piston. So what force on the smaller piston will support? So what force? F1 you need to find out, and F2 is given to you 1250 Newton. State any assumption which you will make in your calculation. So what assumption you need to take? You will take the assumption that there is no friction and no leakage of liquid. Okay, then again we will write according to Pascal's law, P1 is equal to P2. So F1 upon A1 is equal to F2 upon A2. F1 is 5, F1 we need to find out. A1 is 5, F2 is 1250 and A2 is 625. 625 2s are 1250 and F1 is equal to this 5 will go this side. So 2 into 5. So F1 is equal to 2 5s are 10 Newton. Means 10 Newton force is that you are applying on the piston and 1250 Newton that you are achieving. This is the question number 10. Now question number 11. Question number 11. It is given the diameter of neck and bottom of a bottle are 2 cm and 10 cm. The bottle is completely filled with the oil. If the cork in the neck is pressed in with a force of 1.2 kgf, what force is exerted on the bottom of the bottle? So here what we see that the cross section of bottom and neck, these two is given. You are applying the force on the neck and you are getting the force on the bottom. So when you will apply force, so here the pressure you will apply, this pressure will be equally distributed in the second section. So you will again apply the Pascal's law. You need to write according to Pascal's law. Now you need to see which quantities are given. So smaller one is A1 10 centimeter. A1 no, it is diameter. So D1 is equal to 10 centimeter and D2 is equal to D1 is equal to 2 centimeter. D2 is equal to 10 centimeter. And F1 is equal to 1.2 kgf. Okay, what force is exerted on the bottom of the bottle? F2 you need to find out. So first you need to remember pressure is equal to force upon area. So here we need to find out the area. The diameter is given, that means it is the shape of circle. So circle's area, what you know, area of circle is equal to pi r square and r is d by 2. Okay, so A1 is equal to pi 2 by 2 square means pi centimeter square. A2 is equal to pi d2 by 2, d2 is 10, 10 by 2 means 5 square 25. So d2 is equal to 25 pi centimeter square. Okay, now we will find out the P1 is equal to P2. So F1 upon A1 is equal to F2 upon A2. F1 की वैल्यू क्या है 1.2 upon pi is equal to F2 we need to find out and A2 is 25 pi. Pi cancel, this will multiply this side. So 1.2 into 25. 30. So F2 is equal to 30 Newton. This is your answer. Now the second thing in this, sorry not Newton, it is in kgf because this one is also in kgf, so kilogram force. Next, name the law principle you have used to find the force. So which law we are using? Pascal's law. Now the question number 12. Question number 12 is given a force of 50 kgf is applied to the smaller piston. So F1 is equal to 50 kgf. Okay. Of a hydraulic machine, neglecting friction, find the force exerted on the large piston. Means you need to find out F2. If the diameter of the piston given, means D1 is equal to 5 cm and D2 is equal to 25 cm. ठीक है. अब we will find out the area. So area is equal to pi D1 by 2 का square, that is A1. So pi 5 by 2 square, that is 25 by 4 pi centimeter square. A2 we will find out. So A2 is pi 25 by 2 square, means 625 by 4 pi centimeter square is A2. Now we will apply P1 is equal to P2. So F1 upon A1, F1 is 50, A1 is 25 by 4 pi. F2 we need to find out, and A2 is 625 by 4 pi. 4 cancel, 5 pi cancel, 25 5 jar 625. So F2 is equal to 5 into 50, 2 5. 5 5 is 25, 250 Newton. Newton on kgf. So it is kilogram force. 250 kilogram force. 25 are 625. Okay, and 25 5s are 125. So it is 1250 kg. This is your answer number 12. After answer number 12, question number 13 we will see. So let's see what is given in question number 13. It is given, one second. Two cylindrical vessels filled with piston A and B of cross section 8 cm square and 320 cm square. So that is given to you A1 and A2. A1 is 8 cm square and A2 is 320 cm square. Respectively, are joined at their bottom by a tube and they are completely filled with water when a mass of 4 kg is placed. So mass is equal to 4 kg. On the piston A1, find the pressure on piston A1. So you need to find P1 is equal to what? Pressure on piston A2, P2 is equal to what? And then thrust on piston B means F2 is equal to what? So here you can see 4 kg mass is there. So this 4 kg mass will apply the force. So that is your thrust. F1 is equal to 4 kg. Okay. Now we will see F1 is equal to 4 kg is given to you. Now we will find out the pressure. P1 is equal to F1 upon A1. So F1 is 4 and A1 is 8. So 4 by 8 means 0.5 kilogram per centimeter square. Okay. And P2 you need to find out. So P2 is equal to F2 upon A2. F2 we need to find out. P2. What will be P2? So we know according to Pascal's law, force applied on the first one is equal to second. That is why P1 is equal to P2. Okay. So P2 is also equal to 0.5 kg per centimeter square. Now we will put the value here. So P2 is 0.5. F2 we need to find out, and A2 is 320. So F2 is equal to 320 into 0.5. What you can write? 5 by 10. 0 cancel. F2 is equal to 32 5s are 160 kg. So force applied on the second one is 160 kg. Okay. Here the mass is given to you. So with that mass the force is applied. That is why we are taking the force as mass. Okay. So here question number 13 is completed. Now we will move forward to question number 14. This is also very simple, only you need to remember the concept. So last question of this exercise is given to us. What force is applied on a piston of area of cross section 2 cm square? So to obtain a force of 150 Newton on the piston of area of cross section 12 cm square, means 2 cm square वाला force निकालना है, मतलब F1 निकालना है. A1 is given to us 2 cm square. F2 is 150 Newton and A2 is 12 cm square. Only you need to write according to Pascal's law. We know that P1 is equal to P2. P is equal to F1 upon A, so P1 is equal to F1 upon A1 and P2 is equal to F2 upon A2. F1 we need to find out, A1 we will put the value, F2 is 150, A2 is 12. 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 3 na, 6 5s are 30. So F1 is equal to 25 Newton. You are applying the force of 25 Newton and achieving the force of 150 Newton. This is the answer. So here our chapter number 4 exercise 4a is completed. I hope these all questions are clear to you. If yes and you are liking my effort, please hit the like button, comment if you have any query and suggestion, and share if you want to support me. Thank you and have a nice day.